Is your T-Mobile phone sending calls directly to voicemail? Let's pinpoint the cause. The most common culprits are do not disturb mode, call forwarding, and blocked numbers. Do not disturb silences calls and routes them to voicemail unless exceptions are set. This can happen due to user settings or app glitches. Call forwarding redirects incoming calls to another number or voicemail. It can be triggered by conditional settings like when busy or unanswered. Blocked numbers prevent specific contacts from ringing through, sending them straight to voicemail. This can occur accidentally through parental controls or spam filters. We'll show you how to check each of these settings to ensure your calls are coming through. To fix calls going to voicemail, first disable Do Not Disturb in your phone settings. On iOS, go to Settings, Focus, Do Not Disturb, and turn it off. On Android, access Settings, Sound, Do Not Disturb, and disable it. Make sure to check if it's scheduled or set to allow calls from favorites only. Next, check your call forwarding settings. Dial *21 on your phone to see if call forwarding is active or 62-step to deactivate it. You can also manage this in the My T-Mobile app under the account settings. Ensure no conditional forwarding is sending calls to voicemail when unanswered. Review your blocked numbers list. Open your phone's dialer app, go to Settings or Recents, and check the blocked contacts. Also, use the T-Mobile Call Filter app to ensure no numbers are being blocked unintentionally, which could send calls straight to voicemail. If issues persist, restart your phone by holding the power button. For deeper fixes, reset network settings in your phone's settings menu. On iOS, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset network settings. On Android, find Reset options in Settings, System, Reset options. This clears network configurations without deleting data. For advanced issues, contact T-Mobile support through the My T-Mobile app or website. They can check your account settings and provide personalized assistance to resolve voicemail routing problems.